We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are making perfectly crispy, delicious falafel. After lots of kitchen testing, this is our favorite way to make falafel. For the best falafel, start with dried chickpeas. Simply cover them with water and rehydrate. We like to do this overnight. We find soaked dried chickpeas far superior to canned chickpeas when making falafel. For tips about substituting canned chickpeas, check the article on Inspired Taste. Here are the chickpeas after soaking them. They've tripled in size. After soaking, pat dry or use a salad spinner to make sure that the beans are nice and dry. Now to make the falafel mix. To the bowl of a food processor, add the chickpeas, some scallions. I just remove the ends and then roughly chop them. Garlic cloves, lots of fresh herbs. Here I'm using mint, cilantro, and parsley. I love all three, but you can choose to add just one or two of them if that's all you have. You can see that we add a lot. This adds so much flavor and color to the falafel. Remember, all the ingredient amounts and the full recipe is found on Inspired Taste. Next, we need some spice. We add salt, ground cumin, ground coriander, ground cardamom, cayenne pepper for some heat, and black pepper. Then as an optional ingredient, we add baking powder, which just helps the falafel be a little bit more tender, airy, and light. Close the lid and pulse the mixture until very finely minced, but not pureed. You'll probably need to scrape the sides of the bowl a few times. You don't need much time in the food processor. It's the soaked dried chickpeas that make this falafel so good. I love how we are able to keep some texture and can see little bits of chickpeas, herbs, and even the scallions. See the texture? It's a very fine chop, but not smooth or pureed. You should be able to make a ball with your hands without it falling apart. Okay, set the falafel mix aside for 15 minutes in the fridge. This time just helps the mixture stick together a bit better. After 15 minutes, scoop out about 1.5 tablespoons of the mixture and make balls. The mixture won't feel like dough, but it will hold together. For even more tips on making falafel, check the article on Inspired Taste. It's almost time to cook the falafel. For the best, crispiest on the outside, tender on the inside falafel, we fry the balls. For tips on baking or pan frying falafel, check the article on Inspired Taste. I keep the oil between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then carefully lower the falafel balls into the oil. When the bottom side is nicely browned, we carefully flip the falafel and cook the second side. The whole process takes us 3.5 to 4 minutes. When they are cooked, transfer the falafel to a plate lined with paper towel. By the way, this is about half of the recipe. Depending on how large your pan is, you will likely need to fry the falafel in batches. Sprinkle them with a little salt and then serve immediately. Falafel is best eaten straight away. And that's it. Perfectly crisp and tender falafel that's unbelievably flavorful thanks to garlic and lots of fresh herbs. Just look at that color and texture. You're gonna love it. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.